Hello friend, my name is Shelsa, and this video is the first of this online diary in which I share my faith in Jesus Christ with a weekly video. Welcome here. I appreciate you being here and I hope you will benefit from it. We are already well into fall, and with this season also come specific habits and making around the house. Today I'm gonna share a casual fall day of mine, and I will also share my thoughts with you when I step back and think about those little moments in my life. In this casual fall day, I will be making breakfast as I do every morning for me and my family, and a traditional remedy. I will also be planting flowers for the next season. For a long time, I used to always ask myself, what's next? But today my question is, what about now? We very often forget that today was once tomorrow and that tomorrow will become today. Taking the time to stop and look at our life, the road traveled and the accomplishments is a great blessing. Expressing gratitude to the eternal is even more of a blessing. video is all about giving thanks to the Lord, recognizing Him also in the small things. Every day we come to see is a blessing, and we do not even deserve it. It is by the great compassion of God that you and I are still alive, as we sin against Him every day. But in exchange for our sin and rebellion, He offers us grace. How wonderful it is! Again, I saw that under the sun, the race is not to the swift, nor the battle to the strong, nor bread to the wise, nor riches to the intelligent, nor favor to those with knowledge, but time and chance happen to them all. I encourage you to read and meditate all that chapter. My prayer today for you and I is to remember to walk with a heart full of gratitude to the Lord and to strengthen our relationship with Him.